When you live in Dearborn, there is nothing more scary than a windy day. In a windy day, you can lose your electricity, and then you might not get it back for days or even weeks. For me, it's a double threat because I work at home and telecommute to a call center out of state. So in order for me to earn my living, I need electricity and I need internet. If there's a power outage at a node 3 miles away, I either have slow internet or no internet at all. So if I remember correctly, this wind advisory is supposed to last until 4 p.m. tonight. I believe it's a little before 6:40 in the morning right now. And all I can do is hope I can get through this day without losing electricity.